Good morning, students. Today we start chapter 5, Introduction to Euclid's Geometry. The word geometry made up of two Greek words, geo and metron. Geo means earth and metron means measurement. So geometry means measurement of earth. Euclid gave us an exceptional idea regarding the basic concept of geometry in his book called Elements. Euclid listed 23 definitions in his book Elements with 7 definitions in your textbook. Now you learn and write Euclid's definitions, axioms and postulates from your textbook. The axioms and postulates are proven statements that are used to prove another statement. Postulates are used in geometry, but axioms are used in the whole mathematics. Now we solve question number 4 of exercise 5.1. If a point C lies between 2 points A and B such that AC equal BC, then prove that AC equal half AB. Explain by drawing the figure. So given a line AB and C is the middleness point. So given AC equal BC, to prove AC equal half of AB. We use the given condition AC equal BC. Now we use Euclid's second axiom. The second axiom is if equals are added to equals, the whole are equal. So we are adding AC on both sides. So AC plus AC equal BC plus AC. So AC plus AC equal 2AC. But BC plus AC equal AB. So we write AB. Now 2AC equal AB, so AC equal 1 by 2 AB, hence proved. Now question number 5th. In question 4, point C is called a midpoint of line segment AB. Prove that every line segment has one and only one midpoint. So given a line segment AB and C is the midpoint of AB. Suppose C and D are two midpoints of AB, so we represent D on the number line. To prove every line segment has one and only one midpoint. So given D is the midpoint of AB, so AD equal DB, AD equal DB, and again given C is the midpoint of AB, so AC equal CB, AC equal CB, equation second. Now subtracting equation 1 from equation second, we get so AC minus AD equal CB minus DB. So AC minus AD, so AC is less than AD, so we get minus CD equal CB minus DB, CB minus DB, so equal CD. Now transposing minus CD on right side, so we get CD plus CD equal 0, 2 CD equal 0, it means CD equal 0. That is, CD equal 0 means C and D are coincides. Coincides means C and D are superimposed each other. In simple word, C and D are the same points. Hence, every line segment has one and only one midpoint. Hence, proved. Now, question number 6. In figure 5.10, if AC equal BD, then prove that AB equal CD. Now, given a line segment AD and point B and C on AD, so given AC equal BD, to prove AB equal CD. So using the given condition, now proof. AC equal BD given, so we write AC as AB plus BC. So AC equal AB plus BC, and BD equal BC plus CD. BC plus CD. Now, according to Euclid's third axioms, if equals are subtracted from equals, the remainders are equal. So reduce BC from both sides. So AB plus BC minus BC equal BC plus CD minus BC. Now minus BC plus BC cancel out. Again minus BC plus BC cancel out. So we get AB equal CD. Hence it is proved.